Great, team, this is Unit 5, Lesson 12, Tuesday, January 14th lesson. Today we're representing data on a line plot. This is like the all-encompassing line plot one, where they need to not only make the line, they need to not only measure, which is a previous skill, make a line plot, then read problems, then interpret a line plot, then solve problems. So we have like 5 unique prior knowledge things that kids are coming in with. So the one thing that I said today that I think is different is their goal today is that they can, today, tomorrow, and everyday line plots can help me organize my data meaning like the data that they find, and allow me to then solve problems about the data. So this connects with all of our line plot problems and measuring problems. I don't have key scholar thinking questions because what you need to do is use both the visual anchor for making a line plot, the visual anchor for solving problems from the day before. So the key scholar thinking questions are how I make a line plot and then how I read problems. So this was one from, I'm trying to find, these are the questions from the day before on lesson 11. So you need to use both. I did not solve this problem today because I don't have the pieces of string, and this is going to be a classroom by classroom thing. And so what you want to be able to do is create the space for you are modeling, identifying the length, and then kids are, teachers should pre-cut strips of paper for number 1 each student before a workshop. So measure the papers in your bag, then create a line plot to help you solve the problem. So if you are anticipating kids struggling with measuring, and this is your Tuesday lesson, first you need to go over when I'm measuring, starting at the end, counting the holes, etc. So first they need to identify the length of each of those, organize that data up here, and there's no chart area for them to, here's your piece of paper, for them to put those pieces of paper, the answers in. And so thinking through like when they're measuring, where you want them to put that data, do you want them to just put it next to this and then organize the data onto the line plot from there? My anticipation is that they will struggle the most with graphing on the line plot because finding that scale is still the one thing that they struggled with. So what's the smallest value? What's the largest value? How can I set the scale up to support this?